Brevo tutorial and review, best email marketing tool for small businesses. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you an in-depth review of Brevo, which many of you might remember as Sendinblue. Now, if you've always thought of it as just a small email marketing tool, it's time to think again, because today Brevo has evolved into a complete all-in-one marketing powerhouse. It now comes with CRM, automation, SMS, WhatsApp, and much more, all packed into one platform designed to make your business life easier. So, if you're running a small business or a startup, and you've been searching for a tool that can handle multiple channels while staying simple and affordable, then Brevo might just be the right fit for you. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what Brevo actually is, explore its features, and look at both the pros and the real drawbacks shared by actual clients. By the end, you'll know if this platform truly delivers on its promise or if you should keep on looking for another solution. So make sure you stick around till the end, and let's get started with today's review. When you head over to the campaigns section inside Brevo, the process of creating one is super straightforward. All you have to do is click on Create Campaign, and from there you can start building your email or SMS campaigns with just a few clicks. But that's not all. Brevo also gives you access to automations, conversations, deals, meetings, and even calls, all organized in a single central hub. This means you don't have to keep switching between different platforms or tools because everything is already built into one dashboard. So the question is, what exactly is Brevo best for? Well, if you're a small business owner, a solo entrepreneur, a consultant, or even someone managing a growing e-commerce store, Brevo fits right into your toolkit. It's built to handle the most common needs across all of these business types: communication, lead management, and having a simple yet powerful tasking system that keeps everything organized. When you first get started, one of the first things you'll want to do is add your contacts. To do this, just head over to the Contacts section and click on Create Contact. A clean and easy pop-up appears where you can fill out the details. You can add the person's name, email address, and even associate them with specific companies or lists. On top of that, Brevo gives you the option to add LinkedIn profiles, manage double opt-ins, and even set the contact's time zone, which makes it really convenient to categorize and organize your entire contact list without any confusion. For example, here I've already added some sample contacts, and as you can see, each contact has its own overview, history, and associated lists. This setup makes it super simple to track every single communication you've had with them. Let's say you need to jot down something important about a client. You can just click on the note option, type it out, and even pin the note if it's a priority. This is especially useful if you or your team members need to remember specific details, like a customer's preference or the best time to reach out to them. Everyone on the team can instantly see the pinned notes and act accordingly. Brevo also gives you deeper insights by showing you send rates, delivery stats, unique opens, and unique clicks for each contact. This way, you can clearly identify which of your contacts are actually engaging with your brand and which ones might need a different approach. On the right-hand side, you can even see any deals or companies associated with that particular contact. Altogether, this makes Brevo a powerful contact management system that ensures you always know exactly who your leads and clients are, what stage they're in, and how they've interacted with your business. One of the biggest advantages, or you could say the real sweet spot, of using Brevo is how well it supports scalable growth. As your business grows, you'll naturally be adding more and more contacts, and with that, you'll also be running more campaigns. Brevo makes this entire process effortless with its drag-and-drop campaign builder, which is designed to be both simple for beginners and flexible enough for advanced users. To walk you through the process, let's head over to the Campaigns section. From here, you just click on Create Campaign, and then you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to run. For example, I'll go ahead and select Email Campaign. Next, you'll be asked to give your campaign a name, so I'll type one in, and then click on Create Campaign to move forward. The next step is choosing your recipients. You can select a particular list of contacts that you've already built inside Brevo. For instance, I already have some identified contacts organized into lists and folders. I can simply select the right folder, and instantly, my recipients are added to the campaign. This makes it much easier to target the right audience without having to upload contacts over and over again. Once your audience is set, you move on to one of the most important parts, the subject line. Now, what I love about Brevo is that it doesn't just leave you on your own here. It gives you the option to enhance your subject line with AI. All you need to do is click on Use AI, and it will generate several suggestions for you. These aren't just random lines either. Brevo's AI encourages you to use different strategies like highlighting a benefit, creating urgency, or even injecting humor into your subject line. I simply copied that suggestion and added it as my subject line. Once you're happy with the subject, you just hit save, and you're ready to move on to the design stage. When it comes to designing your campaign, Brevo gives you multiple choices. You can use saved templates, which is great if you already have branded designs ready to go, or you can explore the library of campaign templates that Brevo provides. If you're someone who prefers a clean slate, you can start with a basic template. Personally, I like beginning with a basic template because it gives me a structured starting point, but still enough room to customize everything according to my needs, from layout to branding colors to the final touches of the email content. This combination of AI-powered assistance, customizable templates, and a drag-and-drop editor makes campaign creation not only easy, but also highly efficient, saving you time while ensuring your emails look professional and perform well. So, for this walkthrough, let's say I want to create an email campaign using one of Brevo's ready-made templates. I'll go ahead and select the Selling a Product template and simply click on Use Template. Just like that, Brevo opens up its super intuitive email builder, which is loaded with pre-designed templates for almost every type of campaign you might need. Whether it's a newsletter, a product launch, a promotional campaign, or even a holiday offer, you'll find templates that can save you a ton of time. What really makes this builder stand out is the built-in personalization features. Instead of sending out generic emails, you can personalize every campaign with details like the customer's name, segmenting your lists so different groups get tailored messages, and even running A/B tests. This way, you can experiment with subject lines, layouts, or offers, and quickly figure out which version works best for your business. Now, once the template is open, all I need to do is replace the sample placeholder content with my own brand's content. For example, if the template has a stock image or generic text, I just swap it out with my product images, my brand message, and my call to action. On top of that, Brevo makes branding super convenient by offering a Set a Brand feature. By clicking on it, I can upload all my brand details, logo, colors, fonts, and even preferred styles. Once set, Brevo automatically imports and applies those details across my campaigns. This ensures my emails look consistent, polished, and always aligned with my brand identity. But email design is only one piece of the puzzle. Where Brevo really shines for small teams and growing businesses is in its marketing automation capabilities. With the help of their visual workflow editor, you can set up automation sequences in minutes, no coding required. For example, let's say I want to create a welcome sequence for new subscribers. All I have to do is head over to Automations, then click on Create Automation. Brevo immediately presents me with a library of pre-built automation templates. These include popular workflows like welcome messages, abandoned cart reminders, and re-engagement campaigns. For now, I'll choose the welcome message template and click on Create Automation. This instantly generates a basic workflow that I can start customizing. The first thing I need to do is select a trigger. This is the event that tells Brevo when to start the automation. In this case, I'll choose the trigger for when a new contact gets added to a specific list. Once I've picked the right list, I can hit Next, and my first trigger is ready. From there, I can add other actions like sending a welcome email, assigning a deal to a sales rep, or even tagging the contact for segmentation. If I want, I can also add a time delay. So for instance, the email gets sent a few hours after sign-up instead of immediately. For this demo, I'll skip the guided setup, but you can already see how flexible this system is. With just a few clicks, I can completely customize how new subscribers are greeted and what steps happen afterward. This type of automation saves a huge amount of time for small teams, because instead of manually sending messages or keeping track of follow-ups, Brevo handles everything in the background. You set it once, and it works for you around the clock, ensuring no new lead ever slips through the cracks. Well, Bravo's CRM helps you stay organized with your contacts, deals, and sales pipelines all in one place. You can tag leads, track meetings and calls, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Inside the Deals section, you'll find the primary deal stages like new, qualifying, demo scheduled, and pending commitment. You can import pre-existing data with just a click or create new deals from scratch. You can even attach tasks to your deals and generate detailed reports to help with analysis and forecasting. And in the settings, you'll find pipeline customization. For example, I have a deals pipeline, but if my stages differ from the default ones, I can easily edit and adjust them as needed. So overall, this is a powerful all-in-one platform. From multi-channel marketing to CRM management, and even building your own landing pages, Brevo covers it all. No need to worry about integrations either. Brevo connects seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Zapier, and more. For developers, there's also API access. Now let's talk about pricing, since that's always important for small businesses. Brevo offers a free plan that lets you send up to 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts. That's a solid start. Bottom line, it's really simple to get started and see if Brevo is the right fit for your business. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that combines marketing and sales tools, this is definitely worth trying out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below what feature of Brevo excites you the most.